Hi guys, welcome to my office.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along.
You're seeing my face for the first time. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victoria Nzelibe. If you're my returning subscriber, it's good to have you here as usual. You get to see how I package my order when sending it out to people. I'm compelled to tell you a little bit about my business before I further show you my inventories and give you an office tour. I started my business last year, March 25th. I remember the very first thing I sold was a trimmer, and my husband was the one who patronized me. I remember the very first time I tried to go into hair business in Nigeria, and that was a total fail. I don't remember making profits. I don't even know where those things are. I just remember before leaving Nigeria, I gave everything to my mom. She never gave me back my money. I can only be grateful because it can only be God. Back there, I see you can see marykay. Yes, I joined the marykay family. Honestly, I do not regret joining them. It's just been 4 months and I can guarantee you I have sold over 20 products since I joined marykay. What a life-changing experience. If you watched my video last week where I spoke about hope and honesty, I made that video because in everything we do, we should always do it being hopeful and just honestly trust God. I have given you a little background story. Let me give you a talk. Once you come into my office, this is what you see. So I think we should start with my desk. Obviously, this is my chair and office desk. So I have a little crackers here. I like to snack while I am working sometimes. So this is my remnants. Over here are the orders I sent out to people. So I just have them here. So I did a little beauty party the other day, and I think I'm just going to make more videos about doing beauty parties, sip and shops, and how that actually help your business grow. Over here, I love this. Love is all you need, and if you met my mom, you will understand why love is all you need. And of course, a picture of my husband and I. Remember I told you I started 4 months ago. So once I get to where I need to be in my red jacket, this is the first car I will be getting from marykay. It's a Chevy Malibu and it's going to have my name inside the car, just like my director's car, but she drives a Cadillac. Cadillac is actually my goal. So I'm supposed to take a picture with this and put on Instagram. I am yet to do that. I got this from marykay. It is customized to my name, but this is basically just a makeup bag. I'm yet to use it. I honestly get a lot of gifts from marykay. I have some jewelries from marykay, and down here are my marykay products. It's my marykay business card. So call me if you're in need of marykay. And this is my personal business card. Very cute in it. This is my personal business card, and I created this business card myself. I do a lot of graphics, I build websites, I have a lot of side hustles, and I think I probably would have showed you guys on my YouTube. We're packaging orders today. This is not all I have, but this is some of it. This is where I display my own product, and these are my best selling products right now. My lashes in Love, Kiki, Aria, my lashes in Vibes and Luxury. Behind it is my magnetic lashes. I'm going to be showing you guys that too soon. This was the last time I was in Dubai. My sponge. Alexa! So I always make use of Alexa to listen to music or just ask certain questions. But yeah, this is my office. Over there is Nala. She's always in my office. Say hi to the camera, Nala. Say hi. Okay, Nala doesn't have our time. So over here is my office closet, my packaging. So I use this packaging for when people order a lot of products. I use this to package on my wig, you know. And this is my hair straightener brush. I think, you know what, I'm just going to keep attaching a picture because I don't want to scatter anything. That is what I use for my wig. So this is my wig packaging. luxury virgin human hair. And these are some of the wigs I've made. Over 8 years guarantee, so my hair is raw hair. These are my eyeliner glue, the black and the transparent, my lash brush. So these are some of my products. Of course, my lip balm, I called it Kissed by HT, hydrating natural pink plum lip balm. And yeah, that's it. Over here are my lashes. So this is Aria. I think I can easily open the lashes up for you. This is what Aria looks like. This is something I love to wear, so I made Kiki from Vicky. And this is Love. So Love is a Russian lash. If you're familiar with lashes, then you know the difference between Russian lashes and mink lashes. It looks more like the permanent lashes people now do, or semi-permanent lashes. I have more lashes here. These are my older brand. These are my first lashes. These are the first lashes I ever made. My design, I created everything from the scratch. As you can see, it has Victorian artistry. So it's very glittery at the back, and this is what it looks like in front. Anyway, let's pick this up and put it back. I actually took this to a beauty supply to sell, but I wasn't making money selling at a beauty supply, so I brought it back home. So this is what my magnetic lashes look like. So it comes with the liner, it comes with tweezers and 2 silk eyelashes and a mirror. You may or might not know, some of the wigs I wear on YouTube are actually made by me. I create my wigs, I sell wigs. As you can see, these are all my wigs. I have so many of them. And I think maybe one day I'll probably do a giveaway, because these ones here, I don't even really wear them like that anymore. These are all raw hair, 3-tone. You've probably seen it on YouTube too. My Coach bag from Marykay, very strong bag. This is what I used to go for facials, and you know, I have some of my products I use in there, like samples and cotton pads, and you know, some of my displays. And this is my Marykay box. Still has some products in it. I recently just acquired these products and some lipsticks and lip balm. Each year I try to make a shirt, and honestly, people actually buy it from me. They kind of like my design. This is looking good is good business. So this is something I made during my sip and shop, and I made about 40, and today is remaining just 3, the remaining 2 in white. So yeah, so it's a 3-in-1. It came together at Home Goods, and I fell in love because it actually describes me and what I do. Because I sell lashes, I sell lip balm that makes your lip plump. So this is where I store some of my Marykay products. As you can see, men products, a whole lot that I don't even have here. Now let's start packaging others.
Now everybody go to breakfast. To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default, and without any doubt, I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out, I'm a mind that you be talk, I put my life into my job, and I know I'm in trouble, she manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that get both, like the Baba. I dey try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari.